Once upon a time, there was a boy named Rohan. He was very lazy. He never wanted to work. His mother would say,
Rohan, please help me with the cleaning.
but Rohan always said,
I'm tired. I'll do it later.
he only wanted to sleep and play. Every day, he ate, slept, and watched TV. He didn't study. He didn't help at home. One day, his father said,
Rohan, life is not a game. You must learn to work.
but Rohan laughed and walked away. Time passed. Rohan failed in school. His friends moved forward. He was left behind. One morning, he saw his friend Ravi. Ravi had a good job and a car. Rohan felt sad. He asked Ravi,
How did you do it?
I worked hard every day. No laziness.
That day, something changed. Rohan went home and picked up his books. He started studying. He helped his mother. He listened to his father. He woke up early and slept on time. Weeks passed. He became better. His teachers praised him. His parents smiled. Rohan was no longer lazy. He had learned a lesson. Hard work always wins.